Reese, what are you doing? That's my dog. He's walking in front of the camera. What do you see, bud? What do you see? You want to be in the video? Oh, honey, you can't. Careful. Hey everybody, CRMediaGal here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh. I went and I saw Cursed Child the other night. I'm still buzzing. It's been 2 days and I'm still buzzing. I will put a timestamp up here if you want to skip ahead to the actual unboxing. Yeah, I saw Cursed Child 2 days ago. This has actually been a year in the making. I finally got to meet a fandom friend of mine who I've known for years. That was so exciting. And I got to meet a couple of her friends and her other half, and it was such a blast. It was so nice. And I gotta tell you, I was a big time skeptic going in to see Cursed Child. I never considered it canon, and from what little I knew about it, I wasn't impressed, and I sort of just dismissed it. I purposely did not read the play beforehand because I wanted the element of surprise, and I expected to like it. I mean, it's a Broadway show. I expected it to be pretty well done. It blew all of my expectations out of the water. It was amazing, and that's putting it lightly. Also, I was blown away by the special effects and some of the reveals. I won't say what they are here. Hashtag keep the secrets. I don't know how they've actually kept so much of the plot a secret, considering how many people have seen it, which that alone is very impressive. I really loved it. Now, obviously, there are some things about it that I'm still going to continue to dismiss a little bit, but it was so much better than I expected it to be. And I was moved. I found it funny. I found it charming. The magical effects are unbelievable. I don't know how they did half the stuff that they did on stage. Even if you're a skeptic, I would highly recommend, if you can get the chance to get tickets to go to New York and see the show, do it. And go with an open mind. I went with an open mind and I was so surprised and I loved it. I would leap to go see it again. I did buy the $20 souvenir program, so I did get that, and I also bought a alcoholic beverage and I got it in one of the special cups. So I can't show you that because I'm washing it right now, and you do get 2 playbills. Unfortunately, I lost part 1. I don't know how I did that. It slipped out of my bag. But anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna show the pictures in this in case, some people might be watching that haven't seen it yet. I don't want anything to be spoiled for you. Go see Cursed Child. It is worth it, I'm telling you. And this is coming from somebody who was a skeptic of it. Now let's get to the actual unboxing. Today I have the GeekGear Wizardry box for the month of September? Yeah, September. Getting ahead of myself. The reason that this is kind of late for me is my box actually came Tuesday, October 9th, and it's now the 12th that I'm filming this. The next day, October 10th, I went to see Cursed Child, and since I've got back between work and other adult responsibilities, I haven't been able to sit down and film this till now. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Andrea, also known as CRMediaGal in the fandom and fan fiction world. I do a lot of Harry Potter related content on this channel, so if that interests you at all, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell as well so that you actually get alerts on videos from me. Also, I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I would really appreciate it. I know I always say this spiel, but it really does make a difference. So I've been subscribed to this box for a couple months now, and I believe I am subscribed through November or December. After that, I'm probably going to have to stop these unboxings, but we shall see. I'm so excited to get into this. I haven't been spoiled by anything. I haven't watched any other videos or come across any spoilers, so I'm really psyched for this. All right, here we go. Having issues. Oh, okay, there we go. Give you guys the first sneak peek. And my tissue paper is green for Slytherin House. Ooh, it looks like we have a wearable right on top, so we'll start with that. Okay, should you guys take a look at that? Oh, this is pretty. This is of Hogwarts, and I love that it's navy with the moon in the background again. That is really nice. I like that a lot. I've noticed too that their t-shirts feel a lot more comfortable and stretchy and softer, which is an improvement. So really love that. That's a great start. Sorry guys, if you hear some background noise, that is the wind. It's a crazy windy day today, but it finally feels like fall, which is so exciting. Looks like we got another wearable here. Oh, okay, it's a beanie. That is super cute. I do not have a Slytherin beanie at all. So you've got the snake there with a Quidditch broom. That's different. That's really cute. Feels very soft. I will definitely wear that over the winter. Let's go right to the cookbook recipes, because you're always guaranteed a recipe or to 3 recipes usually with every monthly box. So this month it looks like we got Wizardry fondant cookies. Oh, those are cute. So you got a couple different characters there. You got Harry, you got Hermione, Ron. Look yummy. And then you got steak and kidney pie with buttered peas. One of these days I will actually make these. I know I keep saying it, but I will do it. What is this? Okay, so we got a little package here with a Hedwig stamp and a broom. Seems to be a bit of a Quidditch theme in this month's box. Oh, is this another wand? It's shorter than I was expecting. Oh, okay, okay. It's not a wand. Oh, that's cute. It's an actual broomstick, and it looks like it was handmade. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is super adorable. That is super cute. Okay, moving on. Now I think that this is a wand. I know for last month's hint it was design your own wand, and whoever the winner was got to design this month's wand, so I'm assuming it's not a character. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
I think that's either supposed to be a phoenix? It's some type of bird. That is beautiful. Look at that. That handle is absolutely gorgeous. These have more weight to them than, you know, like the Noble Collection wands, but that is probably one of the most impressive fandom made wands that I have ever seen. That is beautiful. I hope you guys can see the detail on that. Wow, this is a great box. You're always guaranteed some kind of a print. So, wow, this does not want to come out. There we go. Oh, Gellert Grindelwald. So you've got a skull, a bird, and I'm assuming, is that the Elder Wand? I guess it's the Elder Wand. I will fully admit I'm not nearly as invested in Fantastic Beasts as I am with Harry Potter. So I'm not the most knowledgeable when it comes to Fantastic Beasts. My other guess would be that it's his wand, but I think it's the Elder Wand. That's a cool print though. I do like that. Okay, wow, we've reached the end of the box. So let's go through the pamphlet here. So the design, a wand winner. Does it say who it was? Oh, it was submitted by Julia S. And it's a phoenix. Okay, I thought it was a phoenix. Well done, GeekGear. That is like the most impressive, like I said, fan-made wand that I've ever seen. That's gorgeous. Then you've got the Wizardry House beanie. And those are what the other houses look like. Then you've got the exclusive Fantastic Beasts art print, the 2 cookbook recipes, the t-shirt, which I love, and the broomstick figure. Next month's box hint, a licensed house item. Curious to see what that is. It'll certainly be Slytherin related. So that is it, guys. That is the end of my unboxing for the GeekGear Wizardry box for September. My favorite item would have to, I mean, I think aside from the recipes, because I could take or leave the recipes, and this month's print, I'm like in love with everything else. So it's hard to pick a favorite. Probably have to be the wand if I had to choose one. But that would be followed closely by the t-shirt. I have enough of Hogwarts. So probably these 2. But this wand, really impressed with this. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up again. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Go see Cursed Child if you can. I'm begging you, go see it. It is amazing. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye, guys.